Now at 5, an update to a Target 12 consumer investigation. Elderly homeowners targeted in a driveway paving scheme are paid back by the contractors the state says victimized them.
Target 12 consumer investigator Susan Hogan first reported on the scheme back in July and tonight has the results of a 4-month-long investigation.
It's payback day today. Many homeowners claim they gave a driveway paving company thousands of dollars after they say they were bullied to pay cash on the spot. But after contacting the Target 12 investigators and the state today, they were made whole.
So nice to see you. Aww.
A moment of gratitude and tears of joy today for 86-year-old Richard Briggs.
That's for you.
As a state investigator from the Contractors Registration Board handed him an $8,000 check. A sharp contrast from our first interview with him in July, just a day after he handed over his life savings to this guy, 27-year-old Mark Young Jr. of East Providence and owner of MTY Paving. And his business associate Jason Perry, seen here running away from our cameras at an earlier court appearance in July.
Somebody had to catch up with him.
Right.
And I don't know what he got out of it.
Briggs, along with 11 other homeowners, most of them elderly, filed complaints with the Contractors Registration Board, alleging negligence, improper work, elder abuse, and price gouging. They claim MTY Paving showed up at their doorstep, offering them a deal on the spot, but in the end charged thousands of dollars, and in some cases even drove the elderly homeowners to the bank to withdraw their savings. As a result of our investigation beginning in July, 12 claims were filed against MTY Paving. Now, as of today, all 12 claims have been resolved, resulting in more than $32,000 in restitution.
There's the check.
And today, customers were thrilled to get their money they never thought they'd see again.
It was really great.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate it from all of you.
Without you, I don't think any of this would have, happened the way it did.
According to the Contractors Registration Board, MTY Paving sold off its equipment to pay back its customers. Now, Target 12 reached out to both Young and Perry's attorneys. We have not heard back from either of them. Now, coming up tonight at 6, what you need to know so you don't become a victim of a driveway paving scheme. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.
New developments now in a Target 12 consumer investigation. A local paving company accused of taking advantage of elderly homeowners. Today, those homeowners got their money back. New at 6, a warning about companies that use high-pressure sales tactics to get the job. Target 12 consumer investigator Susan Hogan joins us now with what you need to do to avoid losing thousands of dollars.
The Rhode Island Contractors Registration Board is warning homeowners tonight about driveway paving schemes. Bottom line, if someone comes knocking on your door offering you a deal, chances are that deal could cost you more than you know.
How you been?
A positive ending to a bad situation.
There's the check.
The Contractors Registration Board handing out restitution checks totaling more than $32,000.
Well, I've got a check here for $8,000.
A Target 12 consumer investigation looked into allegations of elderly abuse and price gouging after hearing from homeowners that they were approached by MTY Paving and its owner, Mark Young Jr. of East Providence, and business associate Jason Perry.
He said, "We just got done doing a job at the Common."
The same story MTY allegedly told this homeowner.
$9,000.
What did you do?
And I said, I don't have that kind of money. And
had homeowners checked Mark Young Jr.'s registration, they would have seen that it was revoked, and he had 6 claims filed against him at the time he paved their driveways.
Any contractor worth his salt does not drive around with a load of asphalt in a 10-wheel dump truck.
Before hiring a paving contractor, make sure they're insured and never cave in to making a quick decision just to get a good deal. Bottom line, if you're going to have someone pave your driveway, get 3 estimates and never, ever pay up front in cash. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.
The Target 12 investigators are always looking to uncover news. If you want to send a tip or report government waste, call our tip line 228-1763 or email us at target12@wpri.com.